When it comes to securing your Glendale home, one of the most important elements is your windows. While windows provide natural light, ventilation, and aesthetic appeal, they can also be vulnerable points of entry for intruders. Casement windows, which are hinged at the side and open outward, are a popular choice for homeowners due to their sleek design and excellent ventilation. However, like any window, they need to be equipped with security features to ensure that your home remains safe and secure. In this article, we'll explore the various casement window security features available to Glendale homeowners and how these features can help enhance your home's protection. Strong, durable window frames. The first line of defense in any window is the frame. Casement windows are typically made from strong materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or wood, all of which provide varying levels of durability. A high-quality frame can resist bending, warping, or breaking, making it harder for an intruder to gain entry. In Glendale, where homes may experience fluctuations in temperature and weather conditions, a sturdy, well-maintained window frame is essential for ensuring both security and energy efficiency. Many modern casement windows are designed with reinforced frames that provide added strength against attempted break-ins, so choosing a window with a durable frame is key to enhancing security. Multi-point locking system. One of the standout security features of casement windows is the multi-point locking system. Unlike traditional windows that often only have a single lock, casement windows are designed with multiple locking points along the frame. This multi-point system secures the window at different points, making it much more difficult for an intruder to force open. In Glendale, where safety is a top priority for many homeowners, multi-point locking systems provide peace of mind by ensuring that the window remains securely fastened. This system also helps prevent damage to the locking mechanism by distributing the force across several points, increasing the lifespan and reliability of the lock. Internal locking mechanism. In addition to multi-point locking systems, casement windows often feature internal locking mechanisms that make them more secure. These mechanisms are designed to engage from within the window itself, preventing anyone on the outside from tampering with or unlocking the window. The internal lock is typically engaged by turning the window's operator handle, which is designed to be tamper-resistant. For Glendale homeowners who are concerned about the security of their casement windows, opting for windows with a robust internal locking mechanism is a great way to ensure that the window cannot be easily accessed from the outside. This added layer of security makes it much harder for intruders to bypass the window's lock and gain entry. Reinforced hinges and hardware. Casement windows open outward, which means that the hinges play a critical role in their security. To ensure that your window is resistant to forced entry, it's important to have strong, reinforced hinges and hardware. High-quality hinges are designed to withstand significant pressure, making it difficult for an intruder to force the window open. In Glendale, where home security is a top concern, professional window installers recommend opting for casement windows with heavy-duty, corrosion-resistant hardware. Not only does this ensure the longevity of your windows, but it also strengthens the security of your home. Reinforced hinges and hardware are especially important if your casement windows are located on the ground floor or in areas that may be more vulnerable to break-ins. Impact-resistant glass. While the frame and locking mechanism are critical to a casement window's security, the glass itself also plays a key role in preventing break-ins. Many modern casement windows come with impact-resistant or laminated glass, which is much more difficult to break than regular glass. Impact-resistant glass is designed to withstand external force, such as a rock or a blunt object, making it harder for an intruder to shatter the window. For homeowners in Glendale, where storms and extreme weather conditions can sometimes be a concern, impact-resistant glass offers an additional benefit by protecting the window from weather-related damage. Investing in windows with impact-resistant glass can provide both enhanced security and peace of mind during harsh weather events. Window sensors and alarms. Another modern security feature for casement windows is the installation of window sensors and alarms. These sensors are connected to your home's security system and can detect when the window is opened or tampered with. When a sensor is triggered, it sends an alert to the system, which can then notify you or trigger an alarm. Window sensors are a great way to integrate your casement windows into a broader home security strategy. Whether you're at home or away, you'll have an extra layer of protection in place, ensuring that you are alerted immediately if someone tries to open your windows without permission. This can be especially valuable for homeowners in Glendale who want to increase the overall security of their home without compromising convenience. Window bars or grills. For homeowners in Glendale who are especially concerned about security, adding window bars or grills to casement windows can provide an additional level of protection. These metal bars are installed on the outside of the window and prevent it from being opened or broken into, even if an intruder tries to force the window. While window bars or grills can provide significant security, they may not be ideal for every homeowner due to aesthetic preferences. However, they can be a practical solution for ground-level or basement windows that are at greater risk of unauthorized access. Conclusion: casement windows offer a blend of style, functionality, and security that make them a great choice for Glendale homeowners. With features like multi-point locking systems, impact-resistant glass, reinforced frames, and internal locking mechanisms, casement windows provide multiple layers of protection against potential break-ins. By choosing casement windows with these security features, you can ensure that your home remains safe and secure, whether you're at home or away. Additionally, integrating window sensors or alarms into your home security system further enhances your peace of mind. Whether you're upgrading your windows for better security or simply want to improve the overall safety of your home, investing in casement windows with strong security features is a wise choice for protecting your property and loved ones.